Happy fall, guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today's look, I'm behind on my fall looks. I haven't done a fall look yet, so today's look is a fall look. I'm feeling this fall vibes, and I'm also featuring the items that was in my October Boxycharm. Enjoy the video, guys. Okay, so let's get into this fall look, y'all. I'm behind on the fall look, but I'm supposed to get it out like soon as fall hit. But it was just feeling like summer too long, so now I'm in the fall spirit. But okay, so I already have my brows done. My brows are a little bit thicker than what I usually do, but it's gonna have to do today. So some of the items that I'm using is featured in my October Boxycharm, so I'm gonna be using those. So let's start with the eyes. So for the eyes, the palette I'm going to use is the Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors. Let's see, what am I going to do for the crease? Let's see. You know, I just noticed this palette have a cute little brush in here, so I'm going to try this brush out just to see. So, is this a crease brush? Looks like it is. I'm gonna try it. So for the crease, the two colors, I'm gonna use these two colors, which is Brassy and Stay Sassy. Yeah, this brush is pretty cool. It's so small though. It's a little small blending brush. It's so cute. Nice. Okay, so and this, I just want to add, this is my first time using this palette since my unboxing video, Boxycharm. And this palette, so far, I'm liking this color, and I like the tone of it. It's nice. Nice, nice, nice. This cute little brush is doing a good job. I'm using my Moda shade brush. It's the 466 shade brush. Shade brush is not a crease brush, but it's doing exactly what I want it to do. I always say to put more on this side. What's that about? Don't know what's that about. I need to blend this out more. So I'm going to use my Lexi 250 large eye blending brush. And nothing is on it. I'm just going to blend. Just using windshield wiper motion movements. Okay, y'all, so this is gonna be my first time doing a cut crease with my eyelash extensions up. So it's gonna be a little challenge, but I'm gonna get it done. I haven't used this in a while. This is my Revolution cut crease canvas. I'm gonna be using that. I'm liking these colors, pretty colors, and they blended out really good. Use my Luxie 245 small shader. So you know with hooded eyes, the trick that I do, I place it on my lid. So I place it on my lid, then I look up. And when you look up, it's gonna create that line where you need to start at for your cut crease. And that avoid any shades rubbing off up on your lid or whatever. So you see where it created that line at? So that's where I want to start. Usually I clean this up a little bit more, but since I'm going back over it with some color, I'm not even gonna worry about it. So, and now I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more of that Stay Sassy on the outer V. I'm gonna take a little bit of that brassy. So the color for my cut crease, I'm going to use my Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow in Cotton Candy. In between the two colors, I decided I'm gonna go with my other Ace Beauty Shimmer Shadow in Ice Latte. And I'm gonna use the other side of that little brush that came in my Dose of Colors palette, just so I can get that little part through there. This is a nice little small blending brush. Gonna use my Revlon Color Stay in 400 Caramel. So before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna use my Iconic Lining. This is the Prep Set Glow. And y'all can see the little glow that's in it. So I'm gonna spray that up under my foundation. Luxie 680 Pro Precision Face Brush. So I'm using that to apply my foundation with. I usually use a beauty blender, but why not try with the brush? Oh, and I already have on my primer. I did that before I did my brows. I forgot to add that in there. But yeah, I already have on my face primer, which I use the e.l.f. face primer. Forgot to add that in there. Sorry, guys. And see, I forgot something else. I'm sorry. And of course, I use my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer. Concealer, Too Faced Born This Way in Warm Sand. Okay, so I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Actually going to use both. Both of them are translucent, but one of them, this is just a translucent, this is a translucent medium deep. So I'm going to use this to set my concealer and this to set the rest of my face. So that's the other translucent powder, and I just dipped the brush in it. And I'm just patting it in. Setting the rest of the face. So I'm using my Fenty Beauty bronzer and Caramel Cutie. I'm using that as a contour. I just want a light contour. I don't want nothing too heavy. Oh, now time to do under the eyes. I'm gonna use the two colors that I used in my Sassy Sienna's Dose of Colors palette. These two, the Brassy and the Stay Sassy. This is the Moda shade brush. Applying some of the more of that Ace Beauty. Okay, so let's see. It's not cooperating with that cut crease canvas. It's kind of cracking or whatever it's doing. Oh my gosh. I'm going to set it with my iconic London Prep Set Glow Spray again. So I'm just going to apply just a little thin strip of liner. So this is another item that came in my October Boxycharm. This is the Hollywood and Vine. This is their Black Velvety Touch Cold Eyeliner. So when I swatched it on my hand when I did my unboxing, it went on really smooth. So I'm going to see how it do over makeup, over shadows and stuff. So let's see. Wow, I'm impressed. Next, I'm going to use another item that came in my October Boxycharm. This is the Hank & Henry. This is their Duo Mascara. So I'm going to use the end. I'm going to use the little skinny end. And that's for my bottom lashes. I'm excited about this one. That is too cool. Wow, it makes it so much easier to get those bottom lashes. Loving it. Another item that came in my Boxycharm for the month of October was my Mellow Tinted Brow Gel, and I used that before I even started the video because I already had my brows done. So this is what I use. It's my brow gel, and it's brown. For the lips, I'm doing my Dope Queens Cosmetics and Royal Rain. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I'm feeling this fall vibes. This one thing though, this shadow that I use from the Ace Beauty shimmer shadow, it's not going well with the cut crease canvas. Y'all see it's like cracking or whatever. So I don't know. I don't know. But overall, I'm pleased with the look. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already. You know what to do. Stay tuned to the next video. Be blessed. Bye.